Everyone, welcome to English classes. The video we study about new Headway beginner introduction. Everyone, and we study at Unit 10. We had a good time. Okay, let's start to learn, everyone. We had a good time. Okay, grammar. We study about past simple, regular, and irregular verbs. Okay, vocabulary, sport, and leisure. Okay, and everyday English, going, sightseeing. Okay, listening, gallery, and charity holidays, speaking, making conversation. Okay, writing my last holiday. Okay, and we are going to study like grammar, vocabulary, everyday English, listening, speaking, writing. Okay, continue, everyone. Okay, work with a partner. Ask the question. Okay, everyone can ask about the question and answer the question. Okay, what day is it today? What day is it today? Okay, and at the moment, today is Thursday. Okay, today is Thursday. What days was it? Yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Okay, what day is it tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. Okay, and number two, where were you yesterday? Okay, where were you yesterday? Yesterday I was in school. Or yesterday I was at school in a restaurant. Okay, you can say another answer. Okay, like your situation. Okay, and we are going to watch the video introduction. Okay, let's start to watch, everyone.
Welcome to Unit 10. Last Saturday, I went out with some friends. We had dinner, and then we went to a party. We danced all night long. It was great. Did you go out last Saturday? In this unit, you will learn how to ask and answer questions about what you did in the past.
Did you have a nice weekend?
Yes, I did, thanks.
What did you do on Saturday?
I went to a party with my friend Anna.
Really? Oh, good. Do you know when to use these words and phrases? In this unit, you will learn how to show interest in a conversation. Do you like playing cards? How about going fishing? Or playing golf? Vocabulary in speaking looks at sports and leisure activities. In this unit, you will also learn how to talk about your last holiday. On my last holiday, I went to Croatia with my family. We stayed in a nice hotel on the beach. We swam in the sea and walked on the beach every day. Where did you go on your last holiday? What did you do? Mr. Class, go online to learn and practice. Good luck. See you later.
Hey, Thank you everyone for watching my video. Okay, see you next time.